Icera ria kiwira ria minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Profesa Kithure Kindiki umuthiri mukinyiria kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, Kericho gatagati ka kaunti ingi. Icera ria gicigo-ini ici rikimurika mihango ya ugitiri na firigisheni ya kuhitana na njohi, thumu na dawa cia kurevya. Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Kisii, Kindiki augite ministry yake ni hotete kuhinga irabu na cienderio cia njohi 18,650 iria itakinyanire ikiro 6,500 hari ici ikihingwo ni gukorwo ihetwo marua mugaru na watho.
We have been able to shut down 6,500 premises which were operating with licenses, but contrary to the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act, which is national law and which is superior than the county laws by virtue of our constitution. And therefore, those licenses have been revoked for violating national law, and 6,500 premises closed. We have also shut down 12,150 premises across the country which were operating without licenses.
Kindiki no augite ekwirwo 95 nio maikitio ngono na kuhingurirwo thitango, na oho cienderio imwe iria ciri na marua ni ihingitwo ni gukorwo ikienderia hakuhi na mathukuru.
About 95 suspects have been arrested and arraigned in court. We have also been able to seize about 40,000 liters of illicit and poisonous drinks. And also we have also closed down a number of premises that were selling alcoholic drinks with licenses but operating within the prohibited proximity to learning institutions and other guidelines under national law.
Ona kuhana uguo, Kindiki no akuranite ciiko cia wikinae gukorwo cicokete thi kumariria firigisheni eno yambiririe, undu uria kuringana nake uronania njohi itakinyanire ikiro na dawa cia kurevya icagagira hanene hari gutheremia wikinae.
And I want to here confirm that actually since we began the crackdown nationally on 7th of March, there has been a sharp decline on reported crime statistics across the country, meaning there is a link between the drug problem, the illicit alcohol problem, and crime levels.
Ihinda-ini riu ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni ihete mukana ateti aria makoretwo makihuthira mbeu njithi gucogera ngui, akiuga thiku iguka ni megwikia ngono aria makoretwo magithuthurio na gukuruhanio na ciiko ici.
And we expect to be making arrests in the coming days of all those who have been organizing, financing and orchestrating violence here, so that it can serve as a deterrent and nobody repeats that kind of behavior again. I said that time and I repeat now, nobody, and I repeat, nobody is above the law.